Are you looking to get cash for your Coolidge house quickly and easily? Kevin Buys Houses is here to help. With over 2 decades of experience in the real estate industry, we are your trusted local cash buyer. One of the biggest benefits of working with us is that we buy houses with cash, so you don't have to worry about bank financing or loan applications. This means you can get a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours, and we can close the deal in just 7 days. You can have the money in your hand and move on to the next chapter of your life. Our process is simple and stress-free. You don't have to worry about cleaning or repairing your property, finding an agent, or signing complicated contracts. Just visit our website or give us a call, and we'll take care of everything else. Whether you're facing foreclosure, going through a divorce, dealing with an inherited property, or any other situation, we can help. We'll handle any necessary repairs and paperwork, and we'll offer you a fast, fair, and honest price for your house. So why wait? Get cash for your Coolidge house today with Kevin Buys Houses. Contact us at 480-650-2709 or visit our website at kevinbuyshouses.com to get started. We're ready to make you an offer and put cash in your hands fast.